She just ran into her friend. Our home is actually over there. If you've seen a video. Oh, let's go. Come on, turn around. If you've seen a video of her screaming at night. It's rainy. You're running away from the umbrella. Hey, you're not wearing your hat. I thought the boy was going to school. No? Oh, he's using the other side.
Yeah.
He's using the other road. What's his name?
刘仙林。
I see. He's in your class?
对。
Right. You say yes, he's in my class.
Yes.
He's in...
He's in my class.
Okay. Pick up the pace. Let's go. Do you... it's raining today, so... your school won't be exercising. Right? Come on. I'm still gonna go for a run. I'll go for a run in the rain. It's gonna be fun. Yeah.
像洗澡一样。
Yeah, it's like
如果出汗了，你就可以把雨伞放回家，然后你不用雨伞，然后你就给你冲澡。
right. Yeah, it's like
给
taking
你
a
身上
shower.
的，给你身上的汗全都冲下来了。
Right.
衣服湿，
Okay.
裤子湿，
That's right.
晾就可以。
Bye.
刘仙林已经到幼儿园。
Yeah, she has a he. It's a boy, right?
对。
So boy, we say he or she. I can't carry your scooter. We can't leave it here. Ride it until all the way there. A boy is a she or he? What's that? A boy is a he or she? It's a he, yes. So a girl is a what? A girl is a she. All right, we're here. See you later. Get in.
早上好。
Good morning.
拜拜，爸爸。
Bye,
早
bye.
点下班。
Okay, get in. See you later.